This one-pan creamy pasta is an easy dinner with spaghetti cooked in a creamy garlic parmesan sauce and topped off with crispy chorizo crumbs. It's comforting bowl food at its best. So let's get cooking. So let's talk about those chorizo crumbs first. Now I've got 120 grams, which is about 4.2 ounces of chorizo crumbs, and you should be able to find these at most larger supermarkets. It's basically very finely chopped chorizo. Now if you can't find it in the supermarket, then you can do it yourself. Just get some Spanish chorizo and chop it up nice and finely. Heat a large frying pan over a medium heat. And then we're going to add in those chorizo crumbs and fry for about 5 minutes, stirring every so often until they're slightly crisp. Remove the chorizo from the pan using a slotted spoon, leaving any oils from the chorizo in the pan. Now add a thinly sliced onion to the pan and we're going to cook for about 3 minutes, stirring often until the onion softens. Now add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and fry, stirring often for 1 minute. Next in goes 120ml or half a cup of white wine. Bring that to the boil and then let it simmer for a couple of minutes until reduced by half. Then we're going to stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste in the US. Now stir in a litre, which is 4 cups plus 3 tablespoons of chicken stock. Give it a stir and bring that to the boil. And now we're going to add in the spaghetti. I've got 300 grams, which is about 10.5 ounces of spaghetti. Add it to the pan and push it down so it's totally covered in the liquid. And then place the lid on the pan. So we're going to let that cook now for about 12 minutes, but we want to lift the lid and give it a little stir a couple of times during cooking, just to stop that spaghetti from sticking together. Now that pasta's cooked, remove the lid and give it a stir again. It should be quite saucy. And now we're going to add in 120ml, which is half a cup of double or heavy cream. 75 grams, which is about 3/4 of a cup of finely grated parmesan, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. We're also going to add that cooked chorizo, except for about 1 tablespoon that we'll use for sprinkling at the end. Now stir everything together to thoroughly combine. And now we're ready to serve, and just look at how lovely and saucy that pasta is. I like to serve this topped with that remaining chorizo, plus a sprinkling of parmesan and black pepper. And there you go, that's an easy 30-minute pasta dish all cooked in one pan. And I literally could devour that whole pan. If you're a carbivore like me, then be sure to check out my playlist of all my pasta dishes here. I'll see you next time.